Okay, welcome to Theth. This is my place for the night. Let's see what we can find. It took a week for my quads recover, and I'm gonna go check out this waterfall. Again, we're gonna view this together. I think this is the point. I'm not sure, but we'll enjoy this view together for the first time. Oh, getting some spray. Whoa. Okay. All right. Cool. Wow. Get lost, everybody. Grumas Waterfall. Ooh.
You know you go back and I make a photo, yes?
Yeah, right. Yeah, when I go home. So we left the waterfall a couple miles back, and now we're heading to the Blue Eye. And I just wanted to show you what this path is looking like and just how beautiful it is. Yeah, I don't have a lot for you, just enjoy, I guess. Okay, that's how you do that. So, yeah, we came back that way a couple miles. And just those images that I'm sure you'll see of shooting down the canyon. I'm just doing the canyon now, following the water over there. Time to get lost. Whew. Just finished up the Blue Eye, about a mile plus back there. Didn't get to stay there long as I misplayed my hand slightly with the timing of everything and just how far away it was from the waterfall I was at. But that's okay. I rested for maybe like 45 minutes, but I got to keep it moving. It's gonna be about 3 hours, 3-hour hike on the way back. I have one shot left. There's a parking lot. I'm going to try to hitchhike for a very, very small town. There's not a lot of traffic at all. I don't see it happening at all, but I'm going to try that. Otherwise, it's right now, I think it's 4.7 miles, coming on like 2:30, 3 o'clock-ish. So anyways, I just wanted to share this view with you though, because it's stunning. And it's all good. Arrived this morning at like 9:40. Found the place just fine. Dropped my stuff off, hit the road. Was out of there at 10 a.m. So all is well. We're gonna see how this goes. Feeling quite tired, but views like this, it's all right. Later. So the Blue Eye, way back there. I've made my way here. Still got 4.5 miles left, but I had to show you this. Hang tight, hang tight. Woo, it's down there. All right, back to the hike. Making pretty good progress, staying hydrated, but it's the little things that make a difference. doing all those rocks and stuff, and then I just transitioned to this path right here. And it's soft. It's not mud, but it's close, and it's just hugging the feet. And it just feels so very, very nice. It's the little things, let me tell you what. Yeah, and like, again, the view, I don't know. I hope it comes across. You're all with me. We earned this one today. I think we have a couple miles left, but all is well. Later. All right, and we have dinner for tonight. I was able to choose off of this menu. I kind of forgot what I had got. But this is dinner. Oh, and there's dinner. Gorgeous little stove.